Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie and I do food hauls and some other bits and pieces. This is part 2 of my weekly food haul. Part 1 would have gone up about 4 days ago. This week I've managed to film part 2. I haven't yet because I'm just starting. But this is basically everything that I put in the fridge as soon as I get home. So, by the way, this won't be edited. There's not currently any noise. It did get quite out of hand after I stopped filming. But yeah, I'm able to film this with some quietness for now. So I've got a 2-pack of little gem lettuces. The lighting isn't great in here. I should have put the light on, but they don't look as bad as they do on camera for some reason. Pack of classic round tomatoes, sweet and crisp mixed salad. This is the only one that had a semi-decent date on. That's what's in the oven. I know I get this all the time, but I literally don't have to think. I know I like it. I know I can put it in the oven. It'll be ready in 20 minutes. I think it says 25 on it, but it does take 20. It's tasty. It fills me up. I do like it. They do have some other ones. I have tried 1 or 2 of the other ones. But when I was walking along, there's not much in there that I would get. And I just know I'm going to like it, and that's why I get it. I got the pepper from Tesco, I believe. 2 of the Asda's protein and mango passion fruit and papaya yogurt. These are currently on offer for 75p. They are so good. I've never seen chicken mince before in Asda. I don't know if I've seen it anywhere else. I've seen turkey, but I can't remember ever seeing chicken mince. And this is why, if you watch part 1, I got 2 spaghetti bolognese sauces. I didn't know if I was going to use this week. I still don't know. It's got a really good date on, so I've got most of the week to decide if I'm going to use it or not, because I do have enough chicken for 5 meals, and I have today's, so who knows. But I could half it. I could freeze half. The price was really good as well. It was £2 something. I could quickly look. If I could see it quickly, I will tell you. And of course, I'm probably not going to quickly see it because that would be typical. £2.49. I thought that was really good. Hopefully it's really tasty. Hopefully I like it. I don't mind turkey mince, but it can be a bit dry and it's not always the most tastiest. But I am intrigued to try that. I got the chicken breast fillets 3-pack. Sometimes they're cut into 4. That looks massive. It might be 4, because that could be 1 and that could be 1. These are not for me. Basically, I get whichever's got the longest date on, and out of all of them, the salmon, spinach and lemon had the best date on. There is a spicy meat feast. This is still on offer for £2, and this one was the only one that had a decent date on. All the other ones had like Monday, Tuesday, and it typically gets eaten on Thursday or Friday next week, so that's the best I could do. But they had that last week as well. I got 2 British chicken breast fillets. These are nicer tasting. They've got an excellent date on. The quality is better than that, but they don't do a big pack. Otherwise I'd probably get a 5-pack and I wouldn't need to get them, but because they only do 2 packs, that's why I don't get 2 lots of 2, because I need typically 5, and they're not super cheap, but they are better. So last week I did go through 2 packs of these, and they're 2 for £3. So are they 2 for free? Are they 2 for free? I'm sure they're £2 some each. I'm literally looking. Yeah, 2 for £3. So I was using 3 slices at a time on a bread roll. It filled me up. It tasted amazing. So I thought I'll do that again this week. Also, these are 2 for £5. I have got 2. It's not for me. This is easier to get into than the Tesco one, and it's not easy. You have to really pull quite hard on it because it's really tightly sealed. The Tesco ones, we have to cut off most of the plastic to get it open, so that's the only reason I've stopped getting the Tesco one, because it's much more difficult to get open, but this is not easy to get open. I've got 4 for £3. I've not got them all out because obviously, it's the same thing again and again and again. They just have this and blueberry in it at the moment. I do not love the blueberry. I don't mind it, but it's not my favourite, so that's why I get 4 strawberry. I got 2 strawberry protein ones of the bigger ones. I do prefer them, but if I got 5, it does get pricey because they're £1.25 each. So I have got 3 of the skier ones, which is less protein. but the 75p. Then this is the new branded milk Asda Zone, because they didn't have this one last week, but I've had this one a couple of times. I don't know how much I need because I've been like measuring my milk out and stuff, because I was putting too much out and I weren't using it all, and I thought, well, that's a bit of a waste, so I do 150ml, and that's enough with this amount of cereal. Never put more cereal in, obviously I'd need more. That's for coffees. I like the what's that brand called? What is that brand called? Can't even think. If you watch my food hauls, you'll know which brand I got. Tropicana. Oh god, it was the tastiest thing I've ever had. It was the nicest pineapple juice ever. Really smooth, went down really nicely. It is full price. I spotted this. Someone else was picking it up, but it doesn't look as good. It looks more like a juice. Do you know, like it's watered down heavily. So I'm going to give it a go, but I can't imagine it's anywhere near as good. I mean, this was £2 though. Dr Pepper Zero, I've actually got it out. I did say I might not get it out, but I will be having that very soon. I got a Covent Garden tomato and basil soup because it was on offer, and I thought I might have it one day, like over 2 days as part of a lunch or something. I mean, it's got the 1st of May on it, so it doesn't matter if I don't have it for a couple of weeks. I've run out of my Actimel, so I've basically replaced them because they're still on offer. And I believe, other than, I forgot to show you the toilet rolls, I got the 6-pack of coconut oil toilet rolls, and I also got the pack of water. I can't see how many bottles are in it, but it's that big one by Ice Valley. I've moved it so I can't actually get to it, so I've got that as well. But other than that, I believe I've shown you absolutely everything that I've picked up. Like, there's literally, I don't think there's anything that you've not seen. If you have any questions about any of the things that I've bought, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel or you watch my videos but you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button to get an alert when I upload. I hope you all have an amazing rest of the week, and the next video will be up in not many days. Thank you so much for watching.